righty. I think we are up. Let's try to get control of my computer again. That would be fun. There it is. Okay. Looks live to me. Let's get moving. Okay. Let's giggity go. What do we got today? Oh, just giggles. Giggles all the way around. So, as you finish up your wraps and get everything set up, let's get moving a little bit. Maybe legs. I feel really short today. Maybe Carl's tall. Bart. Sorry, called him Carl again. Bart seems a little taller today. Just feeling confident, maybe. All right, swing out the leg. Oh yeah, there it is. He's got a little excess on top. I know you're not supposed to say that about people. But luckily, Carl's got no arms or legs. He can't really do very much about it. He might be able to bite me pretty good. Headbutt me. Swing out the other leg, just easy. We'll stretch the back in front. All right. That works for me. Let me finish this so I can know that I do the right thing. What are we doing today? We got back and forth. We're going to get some core mixed in. We're going to start with a little pyramid, a little bit of everything. You're going to love it. No, that's why I'm talking. Just giggles. Okay, wide stance over the front. Ease out your back. Not stretch, just hang. And back up. All right, let's hinge over to one side. Inside arm wallow around a little bit, loosen it out. Yeah, let's go up, go over. Inside arm. And straight up, straight over the front. All right, that works for me. Come on back up. Let's push. Roll your shoulder blades around the outside and then pull. Elbows back tight. Push. Yeah. Pull. Push. Pull. Oh, yeah. Far as you can. Pull them back tight as you can. Push them out. Pull them back. All right, good. Around, we already done this. Let's do it anyway. Full range of the shoulder. If any of this hurts, if you ever like, ow, just do it a little bit lower. Just we want to really ease out, pull a lot of blood, warmth into the shoulders. They get a lot of action. Most of the action, actually. All right, good. Heels up. Wake up the hamstrings. Stand tall. Try to pull your heel. Left heel up to your left butt cheek. Right heel up to your right butt. All right, now cross them over. Left to right. Right to left. Sort of gets the inboard rotation in your hips going. Open your hips out wide. All right, good. What do we want to do? Wide fold, twisting, reach. Yep. All right, you got your punching bag right in front of you. What I want you to do is left hand reach past on the right side of your bag and then switch right to left. Left to right. Right to left. Full extension. Excuse me, I'll try to stop yawning. I'll admit, kind of a gross little secret. Some people think it's gross. I drink used coffee. That sounds worse. I will drink yesterday's coffee. If it's still sitting there and there's nothing wrong with it, and obviously nothing growing in it, throw that sucker in, irradiate it in the microwave, and we're good to go. All right, lean in. A minute and a half. Nothing could survive a minute and a half in the microwave. So it may not taste the freshest. So when it comes to like my taste in food, I'd consider the source. When I was just turned 21, I'd come home from school and mom was making vinegar out of wine. I didn't know this. I thought it was just a bottle of wine. So I'm sitting drinking a glass of wine thinking I'm being all aloof and ha ha ha, and pinky's out and all. And mom's like, oh, that's vinegar. Like, tastes fine to me. So I had 3 or 4 glasses of vinegar. All right, lunge and punch. Let's just get a good, solid, straightforward lunge in. Mom's like, damn it, you drank all my vinegar. Sorry. Stand tall, push yourself tall, get that hip flexor straightened out. Let's go the other side. Oh, man. So, yeah, food, taste of food. Probably should not be a food critic because it'd be like, it's awesome. Well, they just failed for 8 people dying of food poisoning. Well, I thought it was pretty good. Other side again. Oh my gosh. One of our favorites right up the street here. Just, they didn't kind of fail their sanitation inspection. They super failed. Like egregious, things you wouldn't even do in your own kitchen, much less making food for other people. All right, let's get to this. I think I might, let's just do your traditional startup pyramid, shall we? Let's go. Come on down for your push-ups. Get where it is that you push. 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. Just rest where you are. We're going to do 5 more. Let's go. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. Instead of squats, let's do 10 straightforward, nice square lunges. So 10, 9, 8, big step, push yourself back. 7, 6, 5, 4, stay tall. 3, 2, 1 more. 1. All right. Let's keep trucking. 5, 10, 15, shall we? Let's go. 5 push-ups. 10 lunges. Step forward. Push back. 3, 4, 5. Right down the channel here. 7, 8, wider stance. 9 and 10. All right, what do we want to do? Punch across cycles. So, punch across with your left hand, raise your right knee. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really turn. 8, 10, 13, 15, 17, 19, 20. Woo. All right. Let's take it to the top. Push-ups, lunges, reach across. Jacks a jump and let's go. 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, how many more of those we have? 10 lunges. Step straight forward. 10. 9. Big old step. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Wide shoulders. 1. Okay. 20. Wow. No, 15 of these. Did I do 20 last time? 15 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15. I think I did 20. Sorry about that. 20 jumping jacks. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. My pants are falling down. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. All right, top of the pyramid. Woo! Woo! Spring break. Get some fresh air in here. All right, we got to get back down the pyramid, though. Push-ups. Let's make them 5. Go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Push hard back up from those push-ups. That's the key. Sink in, but then like you're trying to shove the earth out of orbit. 10 lunges. 9 lunges. Let's just do 7. Okay, 7's good. All right, 5. Only 5 more. 3 to go. 2. 1 more after this. And 1. Pretty sure I did that right. Punch across, cycle. The turn is the key for this. 15 last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. All right. No more of those. Let's work that push up. I know they're getting difficult. You can do this. So you sink down, let gravity work, and then shove yourself away. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's nice. Let's do 5. No, 10 lunges. Make it 10. And 10. 9. Last time on the lunges. 8, 7, 6, 5. Huge step. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Push-ups. 5. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A little known secret that gravity does half the push-up. I know. Gloves on. All right. Back and forth today. Some punching. And then some non-punching. Get your gloves on nice and secure, square. Me and Carl matching today. Carl's a little tall, but I just imagine I'm fighting a tall guy. All right, let's start with just easy, perfect rear hooks. Check that stance. Dominant foot way back behind you. Bring it around. Hammer. Right into his stomach. Pick up the pace a little bit. Not so much the pace, the number of punches, the speed of the single punch. That's what I'm talking about. Quick spin. Pop them right in the guts. Or, okay? That's what I mean with speed. Not so much the pace, the speed of the punch up to the jab. All right, let's slow it down, make it perfect. Right in his nose, right back to your shoulder. Up high, red zone. A little quicker. Shut up high. One more. Good. It's a good jab. Doesn't have to hit hard. Hit snappy. You follow up with something big. Speaking of big, let's go to front uppercut. All right, same deal. Good and slow. Drop. Pick them up. Here we go. Slow. Bring that upward momentum right into their guts there. A little quicker on the punch. So they never even see it coming. That's the idea. A little quicker. Few more. Front uppercut. Okay. All good. Oh, sweet. What else haven't we done? That's kind of been. Let's go to Cross. Cross's hometown favorite. Up the shoulders. Right in his nose. Okay, let's slow it down. Wind up just the exact same way you do for a jab, so they don't know what side this is coming from. Up in their nose. A little quicker. Good. One more for the road. Boom. Oh, I love it. Okay. Let's get down to business. So we're going to do a non-punch and then a punch. I do this a lot just because it's a nice balance and breaks things up, gets the whole body involved. So what are we doing? Non-punchy? Non-punchy. Jumping again? We did jumping checks. What do we want to do? Let's do squats. We didn't do squats to get warmed up. So let's do 10 squats, 12 squats, okay? Butt back, back straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The distance between your hips and ribs should not change. 8, 9, 10, 11. One more. 12. So if the distance in here doesn't change, it means your back is not bending and your glutes are doing the work. All right, let's go. Face, body. So pop, pop, boom. Okay, let's go 30 seconds on that. We got this body. Anything you want. Jab, up, jab, cross, hook, jab, jab, cross. That should have been a jab, cross to the stomach. Face, body. Face, body. Face, body. Face, body. How about a face, body? We got jab, cross, cover. Face, body. Face, body. Face, body. Back in the head, sorry. One more. Mix it up a little bit. Okay. Shin kicks. Kick the shins out of them. You want to kick with the top of your shoelaces and shin. So let's take it from the back. You're going to turn and whomp. Back. Turn 2. Back. Turn 3. Turn 4. Turn. Back. 8. Do your best. And one more. Stop. Top of the shin, top of the shoelaces. That's the strongest part. All right, same deal here. Left foot back. Going to spin it around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh. 6. That one didn't work out. 7. 8. One more. Stop. Ooh, those are fun. Bart doesn't enjoy them though. They get a lot going in the hips. All right, in and 10. Nah, let's jab cross. Jab cross. Give me 30 seconds. Jab cross. Go. A little tighter. Breathe every time. A little faster. Four, 3, 2, 1. Oh, never stay in place. Never stand in one place. All right. Ladders. These are pretty easy. Let's go right hand, left leg, left hand, right leg. Like you're climbing a ladder normally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stand tall. 10, 15, 17, 19, 20. Good. All right. Now same side. Right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. All right. Face, body. Too high, too low. 30 seconds. Let's go. Got to get in close for this body. Back out. Hey, face. Let's do hooks in the face. Hooks in the face, uppercuts to the body. You're tall today, Bart. Keep on him. All right, one more. Oh, a sumo duck unders. You're outside, under, up. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Big step. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, all the way up. 18, big step. 19, and 20. Oh, sumos. Let's go left hand and left hand only. 30 seconds. Ready? 2, 1. Let's go. Get real close into them if you need. Hooks, upper hooks, face, hook on the face, upper. 5 more seconds. And done. Oh, that'll burn your left hand down. Dead bug. Let's get on the floor, get in your chair. All right, you're nice and flat and long on the floor. Or right up on the edge of your chair. Right hand, left heel, left hand, right heel. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 10 more. 1, 2. Real synchronized. 4, 5, 6, and 20. Back up. Oh, it's just starting to feel good, isn't it? Oh, tag smash. One of my favorites. Light punch, big punch. So, tag smash. Doesn't matter which punches, doesn't matter which hand. Just hit them hard. 30 seconds, 2, 1, let's go. Bam, bam, light big, light big. Ooh, I even missed. Boom. How about right, left, right, left. One more. Oh, I do love tag smash. Tag smash, speed skaters. Let's go. Big push left, right. 1, 2, 3. Head up. 4, 5, 6, 7. 10. A little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more, a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that's some good glute work. Burn down your glutes in big time. Right hand and right hand only. You ready? I will call. Let's do singles. Never the same punch twice. Go. Overhand. That counts. Hook. All right. 2. Jab. Upper. Hook. Cross. Hook. Cross. Cross. Upper. Upper. Hook. All right. Doubles. Hook. Hook. Upper. Upper. Cross. Cross. Hook. 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 Double hook. Double upper. Nice. Rest. Woo, cycle punches. I kind of did these. Let's do these on the floor. As much as I really don't want to. Have a seat. You're going to hover your feet. Feet are just barely off the floor. You're going to punch left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross your body. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A little quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A little quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Back up. Can't last forever. It can't last forever. Right hand. Jab, upper, hook, cross. So, front, back, high, low, low, high. Okay, jab, upper, hook, cross. Let's go. Messed that one up. Jab, upper, hook, cross. Front, back. A little quicker. Jab, up, hook, cross. You got it. Quicker. Even faster. Keep going. One more. And Carl's kicking my butt today. Touch backs, back on the floor. Well, let's do lunge hook. So what you're doing, you're going to step in left foot, hook with the right, step in right foot, hook with the left. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Big step. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Bring that hook around. 17, 18. Big swing. 19. Last one. Holy moly. Jab, cross, upper hook. High, high, low, low. 30 seconds. Let's go. Jab, cross, upper hook. Jab, cross, up hook. Up hook. Up hook. Quicker. Jab, cross, hook. Up hook. 5 more seconds. 1 more. Oh, I'm burning down today, kids. But it's working. Jab, cross, upper hooks. Let's do touchbacks. Have a seat. What you're going to do is reach way back behind you. 2, 3, right? Got like that? If you need to, touch your heels down and keep your butt from swiveling all around. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Easy on your back. Sit tall. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. All right. We're up. Whew. I'm going to have to drag out the fan. I'm sweating up a storm. Okay, ready? Hooks. 30 seconds, just constant hooks. Here we go. Hey. We're going to pick them up. Pick up the pace. Keep moving. Move your feet. A little quicker. A little quicker. A little quicker. Fast again. 3, 2, 1. Oh boy. Relax your hands. Relax. Let's do flutter kicks, shall we? In our little afterglow of hooks. Come on down. Sit way back. All right. You ready for some flutter? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Straight legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Okay. All right. Backhands. We don't do backhands very much here. Not nearly as much as we should. So what you're doing, you got your back to your bag. I want you to spin around, hit them with your back hand. Not here. You're not doing this. I want you to not a boxing move, but a good rotational and reach exercise. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If you're getting dizzy, just look forward. 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. We're having fun. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, yes. Oh, that's good fun. All right, jab, cross, slip, hook. Yeah. Jab, cross, slip, hook. Face, slip. As you come back around, as you stand up from that slip, put one right in their kidneys, okay? Jab, cross, slip. This is jab, cross, slip. 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 Keep going. Half cross. Slip. Make him pay for that. Let's go. 5 more. 4. 3. 2. Yep. 1. Yeah, I went got my thumb a little bit. All right. Last 2. Plank. No day is complete without a plank. You should know that by now. Come on down. I should know to keep a clock in sight when I do planks. On your hands, on your elbows. Starting in 5, 3, 2. Come on up. How long do we want to be here? All right, I want you back down and tight. Straight line from your heels to your head. Your hands are straight down from your shoulders. We're past halfway. Well, now we're past halfway. Hold what you got. Gotta breathe. You gotta breathe. 10 more seconds. Jam your toes into the ground. Jam, man. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I dig that. That's good stuff. All right. Jab, cross, hook, and uppercut 25 times. Front, back, high, low, face, punch, all the same. Jab, cross, hook, and uppercut 25 times, and then we are done. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 1. Jab, cross, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep moving. 6, 7. Stay with me. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. Faster. 50. Make every punch count. 60, 70, 80, 90, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one in 25. That's 100 punches. You believe that crap? All right, gloves off. It's stretchy time. That's some good fun, huh? All right, settle down there, Bart. Everybody's okay. Grab some water. Let's get the stretch happening. Arm out. Turn in. Oh, man, what is that? Something through here. Oh, yeah, I gotta remember that. Ooh. Turn. Other side. Hand on his face. Turn away from him. Big stretch across the chest. Relax your hand here. Probably be a little bit more TV suitable if I didn't put my butt to you, huh? All right. Hands on top of the bag. Big, tall, then lean in. Legs straight, back straight, arms straight, hang into your shoulders there a little bit. All right, good job. Sweat in my eyes. Let's pull the fingers back. That's an easy one. Pull your fingers. Not like that. Not like pull my finger. All right, let's get a quad here. So hang on to your bag just for balances. And right, if you can, right foot to your right hand. Knees together, heel into your butt, knee pointed down. Get a good stretch of the hip flexor and all your quads. How many quadricep muscles are there? Other foot. There's 4. That's why we call them quads. 1, 2, and 3, all called vastus. Vastus. Lateral, medial, and middle. Inside, middle, outside. All right, now let's get that glute stretch. And the 4th is your hip flexor. Right down the center. And that is called rectus femoris, meaning straightens out your femur. Oh my gosh, lean into it. Okay, straighten that out. Let's go the other way. Figure 4, sit. Sit your hips back straight. Push your top of your crest of your hip forward into your thigh. All right, that's pretty good on that. Done forward, fingers, done back. All right, let's finish this off. A few more, straight up, long as you can. And now arch it over. Really want you to push your fingers over your head. Kick your hips way out. Okay, other side. We're stretching intercostals between your ribs. Stretch long between here. Hips stick way out. All right. Straight up and down. Let's take it over the front. Just relax. At first, let the arms hang. Let your head hang. Deep breath. All right. Now push the top of your hips over and down into your thighs. Oh my gosh. All right, that's good. Stand up tall, even, square. And that's what we got for today. Nice job. Those of you who are here, those of you who are not, you did terrible. Let this be a lesson. All right. Excellent. Always a pleasure. We'll be back on Thursday. Lord willing, creek don't rise, stuff like that. But keep doing what you're doing because it's working. All right. You guys be good. We'll see you in a while.